guys! Follow sa kanyang official fanpage, siyempre sa YouTube channel niya. Wala na! Uragon Vlogger!
Thank you po.
April 20. April 18 pala. April 18, nag-start ako 2019 mag-vlogging. When I was in China, but I will speak in English because we have a foreigner here. Praise brings peace, no? So, baka mamaya, 1 minute lang ito eh. Mag-expert na English ko. So, start vlogging in China. Travel adventure. Travel adventure, but the hindi nagpatok. So, in English, it was like boom. So, I changed myself. I changed myself as a prank. When I started prank, random people prank in China, it was a "Will you marry me?" prank to the Chinese ladies. But they feel shocked what I'm doing on the street. So, I changed again. Then I decided to go home, to go back home, to surprise my son. At ako po, and I was the one was viral as Spider-Man, kung natatanda niyo po yun, nag-viral sa Facebook. Yan, Spider-Man, sinurpresa ang kanilang anak. Ako po yun at siya po yun. No? Then, nag-start ako yan, congratulations anak. At dahil dyan, kumita yung video mo. No? They got 1.5 million views sa YouTube and then 5.3 million views sa Facebook. But the problem is, my Facebook original was hacked. Oh my God. Because they got money from my account. And then, ito na nga. Di naasahan. Nagkaroon tayo ng
English
hack
partner.
issue. Yeah.
Partner English.
English. Oh my God. I told you, it was only 1 minute. So, the incident, February 2, in COVID. Hack issue, prank. And then, on the video, that video was viral. It was not taken from me. It was taken from the netizen. For all you know guys, I'm in front of you, telling truth and honest 100.1%. So, para malaman ng lahat, kaya maraming salamat sa Renate Bicolana, Doc Joey, para yung ibang vloggers natin na kayo na mismo magpakalat na yung kumawat na video ay hindi po galing sa akin. May video po kaming original at hindi po na inipalabas kasi it was surrender. I was surrendered to Yashara Mall para mapatawag ako ng Yashara Mall. And then, this
Salamat po sa pag-elect sa kuya sa President ng Bicolano Vlogger. Para makulang mga subscribers ninyo.
Kapag nakaangat, hindi dapat nakalimot.
Perfect. Tumulong na, tutulong pa. Mag-prank tayo kasama si
Iboto niyo po sa dating election for senator. For senator po. For senator.
Wow! Una, governor.
O, governor.
Ano na mo?
Ano yung signal, kuya?
Hi, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for more updates of my latest videos. Bye!